Mickey's in a very playful mood. Oops. Leave it. Good boy. This is one of the few toys in the house that still squeaks. I'm killing that snake. That snake's more interesting. We're going to adoptions this afternoon, so hopefully this will get some of his energy out before, plus maybe a walk. This is probably the most hyper I've ever seen him. It's not too bad though. I'm killing that snake. Oh my gosh. What do you hear? What do you hear, puppy? What do you hear, Mickey Moo? You're still skinny, buddy. I think he's about 40 pounds now. When we first got him, he was 28. So he's put on a lot of weight, but he still has more to put on. He's good at entertaining himself. What are you doing? What? Don't lick there. Got neutered a couple days ago, so he's not really supposed to lick the incision site. Where you going, Mickey Moo? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, you want to come up here? You can do that. Come on. Come on. Come on up here. Good boy. That pillow in your way? I'll move the pillow. There you go. It's pretty impressive. The other day he jumped up on that that chair over there, the spinning one. A good boy. What a good puppy. He's going to be a really cool dog. Ooh, that's a lot of water, buddy. Killing snakes makes you thirsty, huh? Mickey Moo, hi. Can you sit? Good boy. What a good boy you are. Okay, into the video.